How to be successful. For each person, success can mean something different. All you need is the correct frame of mind and a clear set of objectives if you have an ambition, dream, or purpose that you want to realize. Maintain your motivation and focus throughout the procedure. 1. What does success mean to you? If you don't understand what success means to you, you can't have it. Success is seen differently by each person. Achieving your life's goals will make you truly successful. 2. Determine your ultimate aim or purpose. Identify your favorite activities and the things that make you happy. Once you've determined what you enjoy doing, use this knowledge to determine your life's goal or purpose. 3. Divide your aim into manageable steps. Concentrate on simplifying your concept and decide what steps are necessary to take to do that. It is simpler and less intimidating to execute if you have the vision to approach your goal piece by piece. 4. Establish a deadline for when you want to accomplish your goal. Give yourself a challenging but manageable deadline. Make sure you provide adequate time for each of your smaller steps to be completed. Within a year, appearing on a comedy program that is broadcast nationwide may not be conceivable, but booking a comedy concert with at least 20 paying audience members surely is. 5. Determine the resources you'll need to use to accomplish your goals. You can use these as tools, budgets, classes, or other resources to help you achieve your objectives. You can require specific abilities, like public speaking, or specific individuals, like employees or consultants. 6. Make a plan for your day. Make a list of things to do each day. Set daily objectives for lengthy projects or tasks you do. 7. Distractions should be kept to a minimum. Although it's almost impossible to be totally focused on a task at all times, distractions can prevent you from working effectively. 8. Hire others to complete jobs whenever you can. The key to outsourcing is time management. Despite the fact that you could consider yourself to be a superhuman, you do not have unlimited powers. 9. Count on others to complete their tasks. If you don't trust the people in your life, it's challenging to be successful. A key component of success is putting together a talented team to support you. 10. Find a mentor to act as your guide. A mentor is a skilled somebody who knows the business, provides guidance, and aids you in your endeavor. They typically have a little more experience than you have. You might ask your supervisor, teacher, or a family member to be your mentor. We wish you all the best and lots of fun. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.